Where did this rock come from?
From over there.
No, where did these rocks come from?
From right there.
Where did all rocks come from?
Wait for me.
Now where did this rock come from? No, people didn't put this rock here. Tastes like granite to me. Silicon dioxide, potassium oxide, and aluminum oxide. I'll tell you where rocks come from. Look at your watch. Now imagine, it's a second ago. It's a minute ago. It's an hour ago. It's a month ago. It's a year ago. It's a whole century ago. It's 10,000 years ago. It's 6 billion years ago.
Look at all these stars. This one is new. See how blue and hot it is? Oh, and this star is like our sun, yellow and giving off tons of heat. This star is getting pretty old. See how big and red it is? When this star gets too old, it might do this. This is called a supernova, and when this happens, all kinds of materials are made. Iron, nickel, oxygen. See all of these pieces of dust floating around? These are the leftovers from that supernova. This is where rocks come from.
Wait a second. These don't look like rocks. It looks more like an almost finished bowl of cereal. Ooh. Let's see what happens as she continues to eat these fruity O's.
See how the O's stick to each other? It's from a force called cohesion. The milk pushes them into each other.
It's the same way in space, except that the force holding all of these things together is called gravity.
Swirling and tumbling pieces of rock begin to come together, forming into larger pieces, just like in the cereal. Except that here, there are tons of pieces of rock. The pieces keep getting bigger and bigger until there's enough to make a planet. As the surface of the planet cools, all of those molten compounds cool into the ground that we walk on. Don't believe me? Take a look at this. Volcanoes are places where some of this molten rock escapes, and guess what? Volcanoes make new rock too. And that's where all the rocks on Earth come from.
So, let me see. When a star gets old, it explodes and then forms together into swirling disks of gas and rocks. And then gravity pulls them together into huge, giant masses with lava volcanoes that cool over billions of years to form planets made out of
Rocks!